I'm going to talk about products and few steps which will help you achieve nice glowy dewy look. Just follow these steps and really help you to enhance your makeup. So first thing I want to share is that I use MAC Prep and Prime as my primer. It's a nice primer because it gives you a very nice flawless look when you apply your foundation on top of it. Also has nice shine to it, so it looks like you have a little already healthy glow when you put your foundation. Second thing I wanted to share was I have this Benefit Sunbeam. It's a liquid highlighter, so all those high points where I highlight after I do my makeup, I just go through the same points and highlight them before I apply my foundation. So when you apply your foundation, it looks like your face is already done. It has this natural glow in these areas which you want to highlight. So especially these features which I'll just share: your T-zone, this area, cupid bow here, chin. These are the points where I go through this, I apply it, and then I blend it well, and then I apply my foundation on top of it. Another thing I want to share is whenever you're doing an eye makeup, if you're doing a matte eyeshadow, make sure you just place your glitter in center of your eye, not all over. So you can just place it in this area when you're doing a matte eyeshadow. Don't put it on your entire eyelid, just on the center. You can use a brush, you can spray your brush with your Prep and Prime. Spray your brush, pick up your glitter, and then you can place it there. You can also use your highlighters in under your brow bone area, provided you've got a matte look on your eyes. Don't try and use glitter or your eyeshadow highlighters in this area which has glitter. If you've already placed glitter in center of your eyelid, it's just too much then. So that is one tip. Also, after you've done your makeup, you can go through with your highlighter again in the same points. One second, I will just... So after you've done your foundation, just go through with the same liquid highlighter in the same areas, like your high points where you want your highlighter, like these areas, this, and this. Let's put it in this part also. Highlighters just add so much beauty to your entire face, just gives you that healthy glowy look and just makes you look so pretty. So just all these areas, these points on your face, areas. Anyways, you get it what I'm trying to say. So these are the high points of your face which you want to highlight. So after going through your liquid highlighter, you can also top it with nice highlighters from MAC, which I'm using Soft and Gentle from MAC. It's very beautiful. All those points where you highlighted with your liquid highlighter, you can place again powder on it and just see how it gives you extra glow. So either this, or you can even go for Global Glow from MAC. Beautiful color again. This is literally broken. You fix this. So this is how you can highlight your face. You can use it under your brow bone, these areas, these points, and this is how you can achieve. To add nice glow and gloss to your lips, you can definitely use gloss from MAC. It's very nice. But before that, I would also recommend that you can use this nice golden lipstick from L'Oreal, which I also spoke about in my last tutorial. So I had this nice Huda lipstick, liquid matte, but I don't want the matte look. I want a little gloss and shine to my lips, so I just add a little bit of gold and just see how it just changes the color. So this is another tip. You can add little gloss on top of this, so that will give you more glossy, nice, dewy, soft look. So these are my ways that I create this look and give myself this natural healthy glow, even if I don't have it at times. But most important thing that I want to share is always eat healthy, incorporate healthy lifestyle. Nothing like glow that you get from within by eating right kind of food. So incorporate ingredients which will help you improve your life in much healthier way inside out. So yes, please, thank you.